Hi guys, thanks for joining NAIJA Watch on this wonderful and educative video. We NAIJA Watch are here to entertain you with varieties of amazing and top-notch videos. We live stream daily just to make sure your screen is being entertained with amazing videos. So please do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click to the notification button so you will always be notified whenever we are going live. Thank you.
Good evening, viewers. Well done. We want to discuss one small matter. Now, small matter, but now big matter too. The matter now environment matter. One man sit down with me for here, he know about environment and waste manager too. So one know the impact of dirty for environment and the duty of waste manager for environment to ensure say they pack dirty. Now the waiting we want to discuss this evening, I be that one. So my brother who dey here now, he go introduce himself to us.
My people now good evening. My name now Comrade Ahmed Aruna, where they call Mr. Perfect for inside waste management, and I'm the waste manager.
Thank you, sir. First and foremost, I want to ask you the duty of waste manager, what it take to be a waste manager, their duty for society.
Waste manager, now the people when government give license, that is why they call them accredited waste manager, to come to your place, inform you, register you, registration are free, and tell you how you go to put your waste for outside, so that they will come from time to time to carry on for you.
Okay. Thank you for that explanation where you give us. Now, sir, the other question we say the role of dirty for like Edo State now as case study. Everywhere dirty very well. You understand? What if dirty be to our environment? What if it cost to our own environment? And our waste manager will play their part and the citizen too.
The problem with dirty they cause for our environment. Now big one when it be say sometimes we go dey look am like say e no mean yes, until e go cause big wahala. That's why for waste management we dey say if you abuse your environment, yes, your environment will abuse you. Now we dey talk now say nature dey fight back through the different disaster wey we dey see, the flooding, the different natural disaster wey dey happen, so na nature dey fight back because human existence for earth, yes, don abuse or distort the original plan. So na that one dey cause wetin we dey see today. So for waste management, anything wey we do, e dey get effect. If I dey live for this house now, for example, every day I drink one can of water, I drop am here, they no come carry it. The next day I drink another can, yes, the next day I drink another can, yes. It be 30 days you say a day, no?
Yes, nice a day.
So by that end of month, I will get 30 cans, yes, wey dey here,
we pile up for ground.
Yes. I think they say am.
Yes.
So if they don't give that thing attention, I leave am here, e go get the time when e go reach, even nobody fit enter this office. Are you getting me? Yes. Or those can find their way to drain where government don construct make water dey pass so that flooding no go disturb us.
Yes.
If those can find their way there, e go block the flow of water. At the end, water go dey inside gutter, go come dey on top of road, e go come flow enter people street, and flooding na that one go cause if you have to destroy. it will create gully when people have to cave into. So the things when improper management of waste dey cause na big problem to the individual and even to the government of the place. That is why it is very, very serious.
For this one we talk now, you don enligh ten us wetin dirty fit cause for our environment. Now, where the people fit come in now? The people on their own. Because me see am say bless our people no know say if you take sachet of water you don drink am, you go throw am for ordinary ground. They no know the danger wey e be. Like today I dey waka, I see fine fine boys, some fine girls well dressed, but you see them, they be like who know themselves. But some of them will quarrel today for the second barrel there. Because they taste sweet, exhaust wetin dey the sweet, you throw me am. Some carry water, don drink am, so even throw away this thing for inside vehicle. So e be like say our people no really know the effect of this thing. Because one, for me, we dey complain say sun dey. In the 80s, not the way sun dey hot, na not be dey hot. Because me, I see no eye be that time. Compared to now, heat dey, harmattan no dey come when e suppose to come. But e be like say most of us no know whether na this our attitude to nature, our environment, na it dey responsible for all those things wey make our environment dey get those problems now. So that place, I beg you touch am for me.
I talk just now. I
Yes.
say if you abuse your environment, in the future that environment, that nature will abuse you too.
Yes.
You get me?
Yes.
So some of our people, well, government dey try, they sensitize, they do some of the things when they suppose do to make sure say this thing everybody know am and everybody prevent am.
Yes.
You talk about people when you see for Sakumba Road,
Yes.
they chop this, they throw and we know say at a time for this state, government put waste bin for different location.
Yes.
So that as you dey waka dey go, because dem know say fine, as you dey waka dey go, you fit buy mango, you fit buy this, but as you chop am, you go get location where you go waka reach, you go throw am inside. But you know wetin happen, my brother?
No.
The same people when government do this thing for their convenience, some of them begin steal this bin.
Yes.
And so those bins dey disappear. You understand?
Yes.
So my wetin I discover be say not be say our people no dey aware.
Yes.
I give you an instance now. Sometimes we go just dey this house now, let's say e dey this area.
Yes.
Him go see say waste manager motor dey come, dey enter him street to come carry them.
Yes.
When they go reach him house, go say he no get it. Why? If rain dey fall, he go carry am, go look here, inside gutter, go throw am there.
Yes.
Why? That one no dey wicked.
Na witchcraft be that one, not be even wickedness.
So until we begin to take responsibility for any policy wey government put for ground, say this thing when they say okay fine, see as e be now, government say from now this time to this time they no wan see students for outside.
Yes.
For this time to this time they no wan see this thing. If you no do play your own part, like let me use the student for example, they no wan see student from 8 to 12, government go talk. Abi?
Yes. Good.
Me na papa, you na papa.
Yes.
Our pikin go dey comot for house say dey go school. We no monitor am say government, no we know whether e dey enter school or not.
Yes.
At the end of the day, e go become, if you no dey enter school, e become problem for the society.
Yes.
We no go hold government responsible. Na we go feel am. The same way for good management wey I dey talk say. Government don lay out policy. They even get number when you go call if waste manager no dey come to your place come carry it. You understand?
Yes.
All the numbers they dey display am. Sometimes they go ITV, man around go talk, they go display am. They go do call journalists, display the number, give to them. So that if our people get all this complaint, they will complain am immediately, make government take action. Government I not fit dey everywhere, but we, the people, must take responsibility of anything when government bring come out. So to see say the people when you supposed to do that thing, they dey do am well. You understand?
Yes.
Do am the way governments make them do am.
Thank you. I would like to ask question because now when you ask, now you dey know. Now if the waste manager, how una take dispose the dirty una dey pack for street?
We get dump site, what they call dump site. When government approve, say if you carry dirty from these people's house, take and go this location. And the dump site dey different location for the need. So na them we carry.
You know why me I ask that one? Because me I know say government na regulator.
Yes.
But government not fit succeed without the people.
Yes.
Because people must comply to make sure say those rules work. But those dump sites, e get some wey me don visit, wey me I see, wetin me dey see, e be like say person wey dey make law na himself for some area, dem go dey disobey the law. Like who know say emission no go for our environment, say dey cause big wahala gbege for environment and for us. Now some of those dump sites, if me visit there where I don see, they go dey burn those things there and the whole place go dey smoke go cover the whole place. That kind one for me I know say e no normal. Make you throw more light on that one.
That fire when you dey see for outside, not be government put am, not be waste manager put am. E be like when you gather dirty for house,
Yes.
fowl reach there, e be like they put the dirty for bag, you go am neat, because say e dey find food, e go use im leg scatter am.
Yes.
That dumpster wey you dey see so,
Yes.
we get wetin we dey call scavengers.
Okay.
These people when they come, the thing we throw away for them, they will come pick am like iron, like rubber, like the pick am. When they pick copper, aluminium, they will pick am. So before you know now, the copper when he carry, he wan burn am make the iron come out inside.
Make the copper come out.
Make the copper come out.
Yes.
You go put there. Then some of them too, you know, because the nature they are used to smoking.
Yes.
So na scavenge that they do. When we don't throw away finish, they will waka, we go come out. In the evening, they go waka go the place, do all this thing with them. And government they fight against them. I know of some cases where government, the thing don't happen like that, government will go carry water, point am, make it not cause a problem.
No cause problem. Me, that matter now still there. They say if the person who want come get equity, your hand go clean.
Yes.
Because me, I even don manage, don't know say I do small research. I can't know say dirty matter not be small thing. Now those dirty, when they go create one dump site, go dey put am. Like your explanation now show say even government not get better regulation to hold that place tight. We come fit say people come dey pull, come look for the other things for there, from there come put fire and come dey pollute the same environment. That same environment the way they go dey pollute for that same place. If me do am, e get fine. They no need, I no need Susaya to tell me say e get wetin go follow am. If me do am for my area, but e no see wise say make government, if dem no fit do am alone, make dem make the people, make dem encourage people use recycling plant. Like that area where they put a dump site, they go build plant for there where they go dey recycle dirty, and those things sef e go create job. Me no say e go create job, and even una work, me not sure say e go many like that again from now. Because when me know say if I gather 5 can go that place or go give waste manager by self, me still get small thing join now, maybe we I go pay 30 naira, waste manager fit collect 20 naira from me, because me make effort too, because I know say those things na money. You know, sure say e go reduce the extent of dirty, the way we need dirty, so wey people go dey put water dirty for gutter and all those things. If that recycling plant
my
there.
brother,
Yes.
that issue of recycling plant,
Yes, sir.
we and government, they try to work together to ensure say we do that thing. But the problem we get on inside,
Yes.
like I dey tell you just now, say if government dey talk something, the people or the government go dey.
Yes.
So if they talk something, say make dem know that it's there. Even government don even at a time
Yes.
bring about waste segregation. That is, if you dey do waste now,
Yes.
if na can, you get where you put am.
Okay.
We don still tell our people, but my brother, I no wan say people stubborn, but make we continue to dey educate them. Some don dey do am, some no bother at all
Yes.
to do am. You understand?
Yes.
So we still get that discussion with not just government, some investors, people dey wey no dey this state, wey don wey dey signify interest of setting up recycling plant. And I wan also tell you, there is a mini this industrial hub, how do I call it now? Many of our people dey there. Some of these scavengers don't even graduate to dey buy some of this can.
Okay.
They crush. They don't know if they use them to they use them, they produce them as raw material
Okay.
to feed some of the industries outside the state.
Okay.
So discussion dey go on how some of these industries will come and do, come stay,
Yes.
so that we go dey feed them with the raw material which is waste for their production.
Thank you very much for the light wey you don throw. Now, the one wey concern the waste manager, now I wan discuss well well now. I dey see am say me, I dey get in touch with the people, especially area wey dey get some stress, wey dey no understand. And there are times they come report to us, say waste manager no carry dirty, we just bring bill come. And the next time wetin dem dey wan know again, they don carry some of dem come cut. Not only cut at times, early in the morning wey man wan plan to go market or wan carry children go school, policemen go just come. They just anybody they see there, even na Olopota area under their area wey they cover, magistrate court, mobile court, they just carry them go there. Before they know, nobody dey hear any matter again, no explanation. And na this one you wan pay, even when those one dey say they no come service them. So how we wan take do that? Wetin how to take balance solve that issue? How to remedy am?
This story wey you talk so.
Yes.
Well, it depends on who dey give the story.
Okay.
Because we waste manager don still find out say some people dey. Waste manager go reach im house go carry dirty. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months.
Yes.
When the time go reach to collect money, when time go reach to collect money,
Yes.
you go come with the story say the waste manager, he never see am for like 2 months. He never see am for like 1 year. That's why government get wetin they call arbitration. The process before you reach court,
Yes.
many process dey. Government go fit write you say oga come see wetin waste manager talk o, you come talk your own. You understand?
Yes.
Some people go comot, they will see that paper, they will go. This man, you know, I never see am, you know they come. You know they come. The man will say, I dey come. I know your house, how your house be. See your tenant, see. Okay, government was okay, fine. As now too they argue, they get people, independent body. You go go underground. Just the way you dey waka your own now, they ask question. we'll go the street say first of all abeg let me carry wetin you see some landlord go say yes we dey carry
Abeg.
some good some landlord go say dem dey carry
Yes.
okay how una take dey pay go say I see my bill na I dey pay so dem go ask 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 maybe na 12 people dey the street dem go ask like 10 people 10 go say dem dey come carry the thing and see the bill then 2 go say dem no dey come you go know say that matter don already get kele
Yes.
because evidence don dey say
Then
dem dey
they
come.
come. Yes.
But even at that, because of make peace dey between the waste manager and the person, government go sit down say okay fine, let us solve this matter.
Okay.
Oga say dem no dey come, but for proof of because e get wetin we dey call logbook.
Yes.
Even some people don even put paper for their house wey be say waste manager reach there, e go sign say im come there come carry that.
Yes.
So government go say okay fine, what do we do now? Let us meet at the middle. Sometimes they go even tell the government will tell the waste manager say forget this matter, forget am, let's start with this man afresh.
Yes.
You understand? So
Yes.
many waste managers dey do am like that. You start with am. One thing wey I wan still tell you, we come discover as we dey do this work say son, the man wey dey say dem no dey come so you go reach the house na him the whole ten ant dey pay money to, he don chop that money, wahala don come now. So the best way to defend yourself is say he never see waste manager.
Yes.
If you dig deep, ten ant go tell you say
You dey pay.
he no dey use the thing money play o, he prefer to collect am before house rent. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So they no dey carry police or carry anything. They no dey they go make sure say they find the ground, the underground for the matter. This matter we dey talk so, we get wetin government come set up wey they call arbitration committee.
Okay.
Some of una people dey come read for Benin, we know them. They follow people come see how the case wan go. When they go finish for there, they go say na so e be. We think say na government of Hamman, they must do this one, they must do this one. We no know say na so e be na, because when they go reach there, the truth go actually come out. Say see if waste manager no come carry the truth go come out. If you go there go carry the truth go come out. At the end na peace and smile everybody go take comot for there. So they no dey carry come. Now when you know say court get im own power. When court send for you to come, you no come, you know the next thing wey dey follow. Na be the problem. So we dey always educate our people say abeg if that paper just come, any complaint wey you get, bring am come first make we solve am, because na how we go take work together, the people and the waste manager,
Yes.
na we dey, so that peace go dey everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The very last one, this one na constitutional matter. Na local government na dey work for, abi na state?
Na the people dey work for.
Okay. You know why they ask so? I know one time wey the matter come enter court, because by constitution me know say first schedule of our constitution say na sole responsibility of local government to manage waste, anything wey concern dirty matter. But for here for our state here, na the state government na dey manage am. From local government no dey manage am again. Na the state government dey manage am. Na let me ask you that question. Una dey directly under local government or state government?
Good. My brother, we dey under government.
State or local government?
We dey under government.
That's
you see, wait now. You see, this matter don dey ground for long. You understand?
Yes.
But our priority
Yes.
na to ensure say the people get the service.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Who they in charge? Eh? Anywhere when they say make we dey, we go dey. But the priority, the thing we hold us, is say this service wey we dey render so is very very important. If e collapse, many things will go wrong, many things will happen. So now how we want to deliver on the task we dey before us to ensure say every house for Benin, let me use Benin as a
case study.
Every house for Benin City, because now here the population dey.
Yes.
Will get waste management. So all these things wey we dey see for outside, get here and there to stop. Get me?
Yeah.
So that matter, say we know say e dey court.
Yes.
So I no wan talk
for matter wey dey
court.
Okay.
Until the court tell them say, hey, you comot hand, you put hand. Waste manager go rest. Whatever the court talk, now we go follow.
My brother, I thank you very well for the time, for this enlightenment wey you give our people so. And me go still beg you time to time. Me go dey call you, me and dey pick your brain small, so that our people go know the right thing to do. So the area where they don't know and where they're supposed to know, we will let them know. But me, my own matter to say, dirty, e no good for environment. We na product of environment. And then they talk how you go talk and say nature is supreme. If you no fit throw dirty for your parlour, not drink sachet water to win for outside. Because when you dey do that one, you dey destroy our own environment wey God give us. Because environment wahala no be small wahala. Security, as I dey talk every time, you no fit compare to environment when the wahala come. The small thing wey dey see now na be sun, all of us dey complain. Say sun too much. More differently, more dispose our dirty well, according to as government do am and lay down for us. More make sure say our environment clean. When your environment clean, dirty no fit dey, sickness no fit dey. Because the thing dey follow dirty environment go, they no fit count am at all. That na one side. When you get waste manager or as the case may be, they bring paper come give you. No relax for us. For government, they no dey use mouth dey talk. You suffer go. Write letter to where the letter from come. Make dem call na for meeting, so that na we discuss the matter how dem take resolve am. So that e no be like that man wey Bible talk about say you no gree answer, you no gree talk im matter well, before you know e don go court. When you dey court na another matter, then you come dey do things under duress. As I dey talk just now, we will try to do the needful for ourselves, because God give us two things. One thing na conscience, and that conscience e dey let you know if you don dey do the right thing. If you dey do the wrong thing, e go still let you know. Try to do the right thing. Make we keep our environment clean, so that we sef go know say we dey live by example. If you no fit do the right thing, you come dey point am to government, and you sef you na dey contribute to the whole problem. Like erosion problem, godly erosion, and other environmental issues wey dey affect us today, you come say government, whereas you na contributor. Na be say you don fail your own self be that. You sef you get question to answer for God, and because God give us creator into this world to protect and not to destroy. Na so me I draw the curtain on this matter today. My name remain Lefty Samuel NIGERIAN. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching with us. And please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification button so you will always be notified whenever we're going live. Thank you.